Hi guys, this video is going to be short because my phone isn't as good. My phone is going to be like 2 minutes. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'll just try my best. And by the way, if I don't get to say this, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, which means you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Please do that. And if you do, I will subscribe to your channel if you have one. But if you don't, I don't know what I can do for you, but please do this, okay? If you do, I'll be super happy.
It's gonna be dangerous.
And it's starting to rain.
The dangerous moment of when it's thundering because it might turn into lightning.
Let's go instead, guys. This is my first video. Please subscribe.
Everyone, please subscribe. The thingy, the jig.
That's not going to do anything.
Let's survive.
We need some light in here.
We can use the torches.
Can't turn them on during videos.
Maybe. Wait, we have to close it.
You guys might not be able to see me just yet. What is
the moment of time?
What is them two white things? Is there someone in the shop with us?
No.
Oh, it's just them little cracks, isn't it?
If someone was in here with us, I'll just be like,
I'd punch him in the face.
and then I'll just run out.
Same.
Because it might be, yeah,
Slenderman?
the tall person with white eyes. Or Slenderman.
Siren Head. No, Siren Head won't fit in here.
Siren! Wait, did you know that there's there's like a siren head that's that tall?
Yeah, it's baby Siren Head. And guys, I think it was time to do.
I just saw thunder.
No, you didn't.
I just saw lightning.
Where was it?
The sky just turned whiter and then turned.
Should we go out? We won't die from thunder, guys. This is scary. And it's cold. Yeah, you might think it's sunny, but here's the actual brightness.
I'm going back.
Yeah, but we just need
Basically the best survival place ever.
we need to leave that open, sadly. Light. Makes it light. But guys, legit. Outside is literally so bad.
Guys, why's your light on?
Oh, I turned it on when I went in and I forgot to turn it off.
Oh! It's cold when you get hit by rain. Oh, how are we?
It's hailing!
Wait, what?
It's hailing, guys.
Literally no one comes to me. No.
Guys, it's safer in the shed. Even though there may be spider eggs and a lot more stuff. I love it! How will we get back inside?
Like it? When oh, it's actually hailing, guys.
No, the bird's in the bird nest.
Oh, I was looking close at the tennis ball. Looked like a regular ball.
Guys, this is so scary. No, it isn't. I love hay.
It's sketchy.
Ready? I'm trying to get the nail on my hand so I can show you guys. Well, you might be able to see this.
I'm gonna leg it inside.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna like this book.
That was freezing. Bye guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and notification.
That was so fun.
This is
Soon made the wall monk.
I'm not cold. I slipped into the door. Oh.
Hi guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yes, I know I told you this was just to make sure you did hear.